Hey honey bun, so this is December 31st and I was making Rotel because we couldn't come up with what we really wanted. We wanted finger foods and whatnot, so I said let me go ahead and just make some Rotel. Everybody agreed on that, so I put 4 things of ground turkey in the pot with some olive oil because ground turkey do not have a lot of fat, so it'll burn if you don't add moisture. So I add olive oil to it and just stirred it around. Now it is all brown, and now I'm adding 5 cans of Rotel. Now Food Line Rotel was 99 cents rather than the regular Rotel brand. The cans was like $1 and something, so yes, I opt for the cheapest one. Also for the cheese, normally I would get Velveeta, but they don't want up on the price, so I got Food Line brand. It's the same thing, melt the same, taste the same, everything like that. It just was a lot cheaper. I was having a hard time trying to open it, so I had to go ahead and get a knife to open it because it just did not want to do right. And I'm picky about using my knife to cut my food, and with the same thing I use for the open up package, so I used a different knife on that. So here I am just chopping up this cheese so I can get ready to go ahead and put it over there with the Rotel and the ground turkey. Those of you that ain't tried Rotel, it is very quick, simple, and easy, and can really feed you. You can eat it with bread, tortilla chips, or whatever. Here I am putting the cheese on, well, in the pot so it can go ahead and melt down or whatnot, and stirring it around. Get it hot. Make sure you stir it because you do not want it to burn. It will do that. You may have to turn your fire down just a little bit to get it where you want it to be. Alright y'all, so it is the night of December 31st, 2024. It is the last night in 2024, New Year's Eve, okay? So I hope everybody is being safe. By the time you get this video, it's going to be a couple days after New Year's, but I hope everybody is being responsible, being safe. I hope everybody plan to have a great 2025 as much as possible, as much as we can do what we can for ourselves, and what's out of our control, just don't even worry about it. But what's in our control, we need to make sure we have that together. Make sure we prep, we pray, then prep. Make sure you have things you stock up for disasters or any type of obstacles that may come your way, and keep it positive. Keep it positive and put God first, okay? That's what we need to be doing. In 2025, you got to start somewhere, so start now, okay? So that is what's going on. I have Rotel cooking. It's late, later than what we want to eat, but we'll be up for a while. It's 9:20 because we had a lot of stuff to do today. As y'all saw in the previous vlog, we had a lot of stuff to do today. So yeah, so this is a pick up from earlier today. Y'all saw that vlog yesterday. By the time y'all get this video, okay? So if you're over 21, cheers. Nice and cold, nice and cold, okay? So yeah, so I am making that Rotel. That's what we're gonna have, and these cookies that I picked up from my local grocery store. So something simple, and then I got the kids some little sparkly juice. I think it's in the refrigerator. So yeah, so that's what we got going on over here. Just chilling and relaxing and just being thankful for all the blessings that we receive daily. You know, it's the small things. It's the small things that counts. Okay, honey buns, so right here it's done already melted down and all this. Look at that, just gooey goodness, okay? There you go, it came to a little boil, so that tells me that it is ready. Look at that. Now a little bit quick tip is It was supposed to sit a little bit to thicken up a little bit, but my peoples could not wait, so I started making plates. It thickened up on the plate a little bit, but the longer you let it sit, the thicker it do get. But like I say, we just could not wait. All right, so here I am just plating this Rotel up on some tortilla chips. You can make you can eat this with bread or whatever you want to. We had leftovers for the next day, so that was a win-win situation. And this is the final product. Yum, yum, yum.